Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can delete YouTube Kids profile. So guys, if you're not satisfied with your kids current profile and you want to delete it, then this video is for you. Go ahead and open your app first. And once you're in the app, just go ahead bottom corner where there's a lock option, just go ahead and tap there, and you need to solve a passcode. So it's only for parents, so just solve it, tap on submit, and now you would be able to see settings. So once you're here, scroll down till you find my kids. So once you're here, now you can see your profiles. So you can see your kids profile right here. So if you want to delete them, you just need to tap on the profile that you want to delete and you have to enter your password. So now you're right here. So once you're here, just look at the top right corner where there's a 3-dot button. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you would see options like delete this profile and cancel. So once you tap on delete this profile and tap on delete again, it says that profile has been deleted. So guys, there you go. That's how you delete a profile on YouTube Kids. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.